So here is the circle that we're gonna make today. As you can see, it's made from rectangle bricks and a few cylinder pieces. So let's go. So these are the pieces you're gonna need to build the basic thing that makes it round. So two 1x2 bricks, stack them on top of each other and put these cylinder or these cone pieces. And if you don't have enough cylinder and cone pieces, I totally understand. You can just get 3 studs and stack them on top of each other and replace it. It works the same. So this is the basic component for what makes it round. So as you can see, I can twist it around and that makes the thing round. So you'll need to make 18 more of these. So I'm gonna make 18 and then I'll see you. Now I have 18 of these as you see over here. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get one of these and then we're gonna stack one on top of this. So it's kind of like a ladder. There's 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and it's like a ladder. So you keep on doing that, but when you add this time, the cylinders have to be a ladder. So like this, 1, 2, 3, and then you add it like this. Oh, sorry, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think you can see a pattern now. It's like a ladder. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That part's not complete yet, but now it is. So keep doing that. So now you see we have this wall thing with one missing here and one missing here. So that will allow us to put them together. So you just curve it like this. Be careful because it can break a bit sometimes. And then curve it like this. And if you see, this should, one second, slide on like this. So now it's a ladder everywhere. So now what you want to do is you want to get 1x2 plates and you want to put them where the cylinder touches the brick. So like this. So you want to keep on doing that all around the square. That's basically it. As you can see, it's a circle. And obviously you wouldn't use all these colorful pieces if you're trying to build something looking cool. I just, put my hand in the bin and then got all the pieces needed without caring about the color. So, but I think we can all agree this is much better than the square walls that are so blocky and don't look as good as this. So yeah, that's basically it.